promised you yesterday that I would do this video talking about a volume profile. I know most of you have heard about volume profile. Many people refer it as a bank indicator and other people can call it a smart money concept indicator. It can basically help you really know the most traded volume. And I remember when I was actually listening to one of the top creators of this kind of volume profile, he was saying this is whereby you will know institutional levels in the market, or rather institutional areas. Okay, and so guys, volume profile is very great, and I would love you guys to understand this. It will make you understand the highly traded volumes where smart money or other big institutions have actually laid their orders. And so guys, it's so simple as what to understand this even without this kind of volume profile, because it's very much visible on your chart. I will tell you this at the end of this video, so stick here till the end because I'm going to give you one of the most important thing you're supposed to know. So guys, to add the indicator, you're just going to click on indicators tab. Then I'm just going to type volume profile by Luxalgo. This one over here, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on your chart. So guys, we do have very many volume profiles. Okay, you will see a volume profile like this, and that's why you will see various or other different kinds of volume profile. We have a fixed volume profile, and we have another one. I don't want to call it movable, but it actually highlights every level on your chart. So guys, what you're supposed to know about volume profile, you're supposed to know it displays the estimate of a volume profile with the option to show a rolling point of control. So in this indicator, we have a point of control, this line over here, so it shows us our POC. So this is an area you're supposed to watch the market from. And so guys, as I told you before, the main usage of volume profile is to visualize the trading activity made of a specific candle. And so guys, the indicator can extend this for you, but as well you can actually extend. And so guys, because we have time, let me just extend them because I want you to get everything I'm trying to put across, and I just want to tell you these are actually the most traded volume. So guys, you can actually extend the lines if the indicator hasn't drawn the point of control. They are all point of control, and this is levels you're supposed to watch the market from. And so guys, if you actually see or rather look at this indicator, you will realize for real prices actually really reacted to these levels over here. They were working so perfectly. These levels are called your point of interest, and you can see the volume profile shows you the highly traded volumes. These volumes is whereby smart money have laid their orders. Do you know what happens, guys? When the market tends to buy or sell, you'll find respective buyers or sellers trying to defend their positions because this is their area. And guys, you can see the importance of actually highlighting the level. Okay, extend it and it's going to guide you as far as forex trading is concerned. And so guys, also the accumulated volume with certain price levels, these ones you can see over here, they can help you know which price area accumulated the most volume, allowing highlighting areas of interest to market participants. So I told you this will be your area of interest. Price will react to these levels because they are highly traded volumes, or rather they show as the most accumulated levels. This is whereby much orders are actually laid by smart money, by big institutions. Okay, and we have various ways of trading using this volume profile, and I will basically tell you, you cannot say the market will definitely buy or sell. You have to have confirmation. And so guys, there was accumulation in these levels over here, and most of the times you will see the highly traded volumes, they are always a consolidation. You will see the market consolidating. Why do the market accumulate? Because this is where institutions are laying their orders, and laying their orders is whereby as well liquidity is actually built. Okay, and once liquidity is built, guys, you know displacement can take place. A very great move that market really moves aggressively, and you can see once it hits this level, the market really proceeds to the downside. Once it hits the level, price really proceeds. Once it hits this level over here, you can see a breakout was really crazy to the upside. You understand me? So that's what you're supposed to keep in mind anytime you're using a volume profile. There is no specific trading strategy, but the secret here is actually confirming your trades. So if you want to buy, you know very well price should not close below this line for a buying order to be valid. And indeed here they were trying to close to to the downside, but later on rejected closing above. There was structure level number 1 broken, number 2 and number 3, and that was really a decent push. That's what you're supposed to keep in mind anytime you're using this volume profile. Okay, and so guys, the price levels with the most accumulated volume is highlighted by a point of control. I told you this before, by a dotted line. And so what you're supposed to know about this point of control is often considered as an important level, commonly used as support and resistance by traders. As this being your support and resistance level, you can see as well it's a level you're supposed to watch the market from. It is not only a support and resistance level, there is something extra called March trading activity in there, and that's why it is actually being one of the most important level you're supposed to watch the market from. And that's why you can see, guys, movements like this takes place. And the secret and the strategy of trading a volume profile is using breakout structure and candlestick closure, because I told you, if as one you want to sell, price should close below, it should not close above, and immediately price respects these levels, or rather breaks these levels, expect what we call displacement, because this is where liquidity is actually built, and after liquidity level, displacement takes place. And you understand, displacement can actually cause something we call market structure shift, or rather a reversal, and you're going to really make money when you understand the concept behind a volume profile. It's a very, very important thing to really know, understanding or rather extending this level. Even if the indicator has done just one, just know when you see it being longer, it is going to work well for you. Even the minor one, you will see price reacting to it. It is not only the longer one, even the small one, price reacts to it. Okay, so guys, that's what I want you to keep in mind anytime you want to trade using a volume profile. It does not repent, it works right on real time. And guys, I don't know whether you can call it a smart money concept tool or rather a bank indicator. Most people refer it as to that, but it depends on how you understand it. It's a very great thing to know institutional levels, guys, and to understand the concept behind this, and knowing you can use these levels as your point of interest and as well as your support and resistance levels, and so you're going to be able to make money. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. That's what I had for today. I hope I've actually done what you expected me to do right in this video. It's the simplest way of actually understanding volume profile. I've actually done it in the simplest way you can understand. Okay, so guys, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video as well. Success and everything you do, continue working hard, because I really know until one day your hard work will pay. So what do I say, guys? Bye bye, see you in my next video.